And welcome to Kay Kaleido. Today's Mother's Day, so we're going to be surprising our mom by making Chocolava cake. Kader, what do you like about our mom?
Sweet.
He's saying he's sweet. And what I love about her is I just love her. And her singing is very nice. Okay, so now let's start making. So this is all-purpose flour, and we are going to put 3 tablespoons of this. Mother, aren't you excited?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put the sugar. Okay, now we're gonna put the cocoa powder. Kader, have you ever tasted chocolava cake before?
No.
Oh, wait, you did. We went to a restaurant and they gave us. Now let's start mixing. Okay, so we put baking powder, Hershey, cocoa powder, and sugar, and all-purpose flour. Kader, do you want to mix?
Yes.
Sure. Here's the whisker. Let him mix a little bit. Where do you like to go with our mom?
Beach.
Ooh, I also love to go to the beach. It's a very fun place. Okay, Kader, now can I mix a little bit to make sure?
Wait.
Look. Okay, so now we're going to add milk and oil. So now let's start mixing.
I want to taste it.
You want to taste it to see if it's sure? Okay, I'll give you a little bit. Okay. And now I'll just taste.
Good.
It's good? Let me taste. Guys, it's coming pretty good. Okay, now it's done. And now I have 2 cups here. And we're going to take a spoon like this and equally put them. So yummy, doesn't it look yummy, Kader?
Yes, it does. Very yummy.
Okay, so now we're going to put the chocolate in. My mom's favorite chocolate is Hershey. Wait, don't put it yet. A pair of the nut juice. Okay, Kader, you can put this right in. Put that right there, and the next one I'm going to put this one and tuck it in.
Look at break.
Now they are all in and tucked right in. Now we have to put them in a microwave 1.5 minutes. I see them rising up. Okay, Kader, they're ready. Wow. Oh, awesome. Okay, so now we're going to test if it's cooked. Look. So cool. You see that? That's the Hershey's. So yummy.
Yeah, it's so gummy.
Okay.
Yummy.
We've also did a card for our mom. so it's this. It says, and you can write a little note like I did. Perfect! That's what he did. Okay, so we put it and our mom's gonna come and look and we're gonna surprise her. Okay, so I hope you have a good day with your mom and don't only love her this time because you gotta love her all the time because they do very hard work. Okay, so if you really like this video, please give it a like and subscribe and please try this recipe at home. See you later.
See you later. Happy Mother's Day. Like and subscribe.
Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Like and subscribe. So why do you like mixing a lot?
Because
Wait now. Okay.
yummy. Make sure to really love your mom.